The two important things where I suggested our officers, one is whatever the 5 hectare, 3 hectare land is available between the road line in the loop, where we make Amrut Mahotsav bird garden. We will make good landscaping, and this bird garden, there will be the fruits of this area, and that is only reserved for the birds. So no human touch will be there. And the second important thing is very important, that we want to make Amrut Sarovar. Our concept is दौड़ने वाले पानी को चलने के लिए लगाओ, चलने वाले पानी को रुकने के लिए लगाओ, रुके हुए पानी को जमीन को पीने के लिए लगाओ। गांव का पानी गांव में, खेत का पानी खेत में, घर का पानी घर में। I am very much interested in water conservation because I am representing from Vidarbha of Maharashtra.